Big story we are breaking at this hour. We're telling you about Arvind Kejriwal and his deputy Manish Sisodia discharged from the Delhi liquor gate scam. The court has spoken out on the former deputy chief minister Manish Sisodia. Prosecution case does not survive judicial scrutiny. When documents read together with statements, it shows there was administrative deliberation. There was no criminal intent. Munish Pandey tracking that big story. I'm going to go straight across to him for more on that. Munish, put this into perspective. It's a big relief for Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal today.
Indeed, Sneha, it is a major big relief for not only Arvind Kejriwal but then his deputy Manish Sisodia also in the excise policy case. And why this is big, Sneha, because according to the Central Bureau of Investigation, Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia were two of the prime accused in this case, and then a charge sheet was filed. But while hearing the charge sheet, the Rouse Avenue Court, which is a trial court in this case, has very clearly said that both Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia can be discharged into the matter because there is a lack of evidence, and court has also gone on to an extent of saying in case of Arvind Kejriwal that serious allegations need to be supported with material. In this case, it is evidence, which means that there was not enough evidence against Arvind Kejriwal according to the court, and that is why he can be discharged. Also, the court has said that attribution of central conspiratorial role cannot be sustained. Public confidence is in office is affected of its found prosecution allegations were unsupported by material. So it's a huge statement by the court also in case of Arvind Kejriwal, and based on the lack of evidence, lack of supportive material, Arvind Kejriwal has been discharged. Apart from Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, in case of Manish Sisodia also court made the similar observation that there is a lack of evidence. The material were not given by the Central Bureau of Investigation in this case. It was not mentioned in the charge sheet, and Manish Sisodia also have been discharged. Also, Sneha, there is one more accused who was then the Deputy Excise Commissioner in Delhi. He was made one of the accused in the case, and court has gone on to an extent of saying that I don't know why you have been made an accused in this case. There is no evidence against you, but why the CBI has named you as an accused in their charge sheet. So it's a huge statement coming in from the Rouse Avenue Court. This is a hearing which is in connection with the charge sheet which was filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. But we are seeing that the court is making a very strong observation against the investigation carried out by the Central Bureau of Investigation. And Sneha, both the prime accused in this case, Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia, have been discharged. Remember, Sneha, Manish Sisodia was the first big person from the Aam Aadmi Party after Vijay Nair, who was arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation in connection with this case. He was in jail for more than 1 year. Even Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation. So this is a huge setback for the Central Bureau of Investigation, and the ripple effect of this hearing is going to affect the ED's case also, because ED's case is also based on the case which was filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Sneha. Wasn't this really synonymous with the Aam Aadmi Party, this liquor gate scam that haunted the party for months together? It was a major poll plank also of the Bharatiya Janata Party that went to town with these charges, with these allegations. Having said that, talk to us about what are the other options now before the investigating agencies, legally speaking, legal road ahead, Munish.
Well, Sneha, we have to wait for the final outcome of this hearing because there are at least 12 accused in this case. K. Kavita also is one of the accused in the case, and while making the remarks today on the CBI charge sheet, court has also said that why there was term South Group used by the Central Bureau of Investigation or the other investigative agencies. And Sneha, we have been covering this case from since day one. You also remember that there was a term given by the agencies, Central Bureau of Investigation and the Enforcement Directorate, that South Group was responsible for transactions of alleged transactions of money during the excise policy. And the court has also made a remark that deliberately some of the statements, some of the experts' opinions were included in the charge sheet and some were not. Why there was a deliberate attempt by the Central Bureau of Investigation? A word narrative has been used by the court against the charge sheet which was filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. So the other option is going to be after the, if at all, the court decides to quash this charge sheet by the Central Bureau of Investigation, then the CBI will have to file the charge sheet with more evidence in the case. If the court decides to only discharge few of the accused in the case, and there are certain, accused who remains as a prime accused in this case, then the trial can go on. The other option for the Central Bureau of Investigation would be to file an appeal before the lower court order, before the higher court, but Sneha, in many cases what we have seen is that if the lower court has made certain remarks regarding the investigation, regarding the charge sheet filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation in such a high profile case, there is a very little elbow room for the investigative agency to maneuver or get the case back on track. Sneha.
The first reaction from Sunita Kejriwal at this point in time talks about the fact that the truth will always prevail. Imagine the kind of politics that was done in this entire matter. The court giving a clean sheet to now the former Chief Minister of Delhi, and Munish is breaking that big story for us. The prosecution failed to establish even prima facie case, says the court, against Manish Sisodia. No grave suspicion was raised. Manish Sisodia has now been discharged. It's a massive victory for the Aam Aadmi Party leadership in the Liquorgate scam. Coming back to you, Somnath Bharti is speaking. Let's take a listen.
इनकी सरकार इनसे छीनी जाए, दिल्ली की जनता से जो सुविधाएं मिल रही है वो कैसे उनसे छीन लिया जाए। आज सच साबित हुआ। बहुत लंबे समय से आप सोच सकते हैं कि 17 महीने मनीष जी जेल में रहे, 5 महीने एक सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर जेल में रहे। तो भाजपा ने जो 2014 के बाद पॉलिटिकल अपोनेंट्स को दुश्मन की तरह यूज किया है, ऐसा कभी इतिहास में नहीं हुआ। आज भगवान ने घर में देर या अंधेर नहीं फिर से सिद्ध हो गया। तो दिल्ली वासियों को और आम आदमी पार्टी के हर कार्यकर्ता को, पूरे देश को जो ऑनेस्ट पॉलिटिक्स में बिलीव करते हैं, सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई।
सोमनाथ जी, क्या सीबीआई की भूमिका पर सवाल नहीं उठेंगे? क्योंकि कोर्ट ने भी ये पूछा है, आपने किस आधार पर फ्रेम किया दोनों नेताओं को? और मैं आपसे ये भी जानना चाहूंगी, भले ही अब छवि जो है केजरीवाल की और मनीष सिसोदिया की इस पूरे मामले में बरी होने के बाद और बेहतर हो जाए, लेकिन वो वक्त तो वापस नहीं आएगा जब कुर्सी उनकी छिन गई, जब उन्हें इतने महीने जेल में काटने पड़े।
नहीं, बात मनीष सिसोदिया साहब की और केजरीवाल जी कुर्सी छीनने की नहीं है। बात है कि दिल्ली के लाखों जनता को जो उनके गवर्नेंस से, आम आदमी पार्टी गवर्नेंस से जो फायदा हो रहा था, जो कॉन्स्पिरेसी रची गई जिसमें कांग्रेस भी शामिल थी कि दिल्ली वासियों से वो छिन जाए, दुख उस बात का है। और स्कैम
जिस तरह से शराब घोटाला कर रही थी और हमारे ऊपर आरोप लगा रही थी, आज कोर्ट ने सारे आरोप खारिज कर दिए और जितने भी एक्यूज्ड थे सबको डिस्चार्ज कर दिया। हम हमेशा कहते थे सत्य की जीत होती है, हमें भारतीय न्याय प्रणाली पे भरोसा है। मैं जज साहब का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं जिन्होंने हमारे साथ न्याय किया, सत्य की जीत हुई। मैं हमेशा कहता था कि भगवान हमारे साथ है। मोदी जी ने और अमित शाह जी ने मिल के आजाद भारत का सबसे बड़ा राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र रचा। आम आदमी पार्टी को खत्म करने के लिए आम आदमी पार्टी के सबसे बड़े 5 नेताओं को जेल में डाल दिया गया। यहाँ तक कि सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर, जो आज तक भारत के इतिहास में कभी नहीं हुआ, सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर को उसके घर से घसीटकर जेल में डाला गया और 6 महीने तक जेल में रखा गया। हमारे उप मुख्यमंत्री मनीष सिसोदिया जी, उनको लगभग 2 साल तक जेल में रखा गया। पूरा का पूरा फर्जी केस था। हमारे ऊपर कीचड़ फेंका गया। 24 घंटे टीवी चैनलों के ऊपर डिबेट चलते थे, खबरें दिखाई जाती थी केजरीवाल भ्रष्ट है, केजरीवाल भ्रष्ट है। हो गया
संभालिए जरा अपने आप, संभालिए।
ये केजरीवाल भ्रष्ट नहीं है। मैंने केवल अपनी जिंदगी में ईमानदारी कमाई है। इन्होंने झूठा केस लगाया और आज ये साबित हो गया। कोर्ट ने कहा है कि केजरीवाल कट्टर ईमानदार है, मनीष सिसोदिया कट्टर ईमानदार है, आम आदमी पार्टी कट्टर ईमानदार है। मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी से कहना चाहता हूं, सत्ता के लिए इस तरह से खिलवाड़ मत कीजिए देश के साथ, इस तरह से संविधान के साथ खिलवाड़ मत कीजिए। आपको सत्ता चाहिए, अच्छे काम कीजिए। आज देश के सामने इतनी बड़ी बड़ी समस्याएं हैं, महंगाई है, बेरोजगारी है, पूरे देश में सड़कें टूटी पड़ी है, चारों तरफ पोल्यूशन ही पोल्यूशन हो रहा है, चारों तरफ देश में इतनी समस्याएं हैं। उन समस्याओं का समाधान करके सत्ता में आइए ना। केजरीवाल पे, आम आदमी पार्टी पे झूठे केस क्यों करते हैं? अच्छा काम करके सत्ता में आइए। इस तरह के झूठे केस करना और 24 घंटे विरोधियों के, विपक्षियों के खिलाफ ऊट पटांग के केस करना, उनको जेल में डालना, ये एक प्रधानमंत्री को शोभा नहीं देता। इससे देश आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा। देश आगे तब बढ़ेगा जब जनता की समस्याओं का समाधान करेगा।
आज एक बार फिर गर्व हो रहा है देश के संविधान पर, बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर पर, जिन्होंने इतना शानदार संविधान दिया और सत्य की जीत हुई है।
सर सीबीआई के ऊपर भी सर
Big story we are breaking. The former Delhi Chief Minister in tears while talking about the fact that there was political vendetta and this was a witch hunt against him and against Manish Sisodia, talking about the fact that today the court has ruled that he indeed was not corrupt when allegations of corruption were leveled against the Delhi Chief Minister. At that point in time, that happened to be Arvind Kejriwal. He is in tears while speaking about this entire case. He says truth always wins. Arvind Kejriwal in tears, talking about the relief that the court has given, says that he trusted the court always and that the court has showed the right direction. Truth always wins, says Arvind Kejriwal, former Delhi Chief Minister, in tears while speaking to the press right outside the court. In fact, detailing on why there was no scam, and the court has ruled that today, being consoled by his most trusted aide and former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, seen in these pictures at this point in time. It's a big story that we're breaking at this hour. Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia are clean, says the Delhi court right now, talking about the fact that there was no scam. In fact, the court has gone on to say that there was multiple consultations that were done. Arvind Kejriwal with his family members at this point in time. These are images on your screen of him being welcomed by his loved ones, his family members, leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, greeting him at a time when he gets a big relief from the court today. Take a look at these images of his family members there greeting Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia, congratulating them on what is being seen clearly as a victory today. Images of the family members of the former Delhi Chief Minister there. All smiles and hugs and a big moment of relief at the end of the day on what was being largely seen as an indictment of the top brass of the Aam Aadmi Party in a scam that the BJP went to town with just ahead of elections as well, building a narrative that this is a corrupt party. But wife Sunita Kejriwal, daughter, son, welcoming Arvind Kejriwal today in tears, hugging his family members, but clearly in tears. It's a big relief at the end of the day for a political party that came to power and that started as a movement talking about corruption, India against corruption movement, that finally translated to the formation of the Aam Aadmi Party, and they've come a long way, winning the Delhi elections and ruling this the national capital. But today, after years where there was so much conversation about there being a liquor gates scam, a scandal that rocked the political party and the top brass particularly, it's big relief, and that's why these images become important from the point of view of how difficult things have really been for the Aam Aadmi Party for years together. Now the big question is, what is the CBI and the ED now going to do with Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court saying, where is the case here? That's a big question. They've already moved, in fact, Delhi Court, Delhi High Court, and it remains to be seen how this battle pans out legally. But as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned, it's big relief. They're hugging his family members, Sunita Kejriwal and daughter, son, Manish Sisodia, greeting his family members as well. The children also rejoicing at a time when their father, Arvind Kejriwal, the former Delhi Chief Minister, gets a big relief. Manish Sisodia, the closest aide of Arvind Kejriwal, also in all smiles there, in fact being welcomed by the family members of Arvind Kejriwal. Family in tears today, with Arvind Kejriwal also being unable to, in fact, hold back as he spoke to reporters. And that's the image that is the defining moment, really, of Arvind Kejriwal today, in big relief from, in fact, the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, Aam Aadmi Party leaders were not involved in any scam, rules the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court today.